Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play games on YouTube. This will be a YouTube Playables tutorial for 2025, so make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about playing games on YouTube. First of all, open YouTube on your mobile phone. Now, you will see different options and videos appearing here. Simply click on the one option that is this small compass-like icon at the top of the screen. So under YouTube's icon, you will see a small compass icon. Click on it and you will see these different options appearing. Now, you have trending, shopping, gaming, news, sport, different options. So just scroll down and you will see the last option that will say Playables. Click on that option and it will show up this Playables page where you can easily click on home and see different kind of games that is available on YouTube. So I will choose, for example, this Stealth Master game. So click on any game to start it. Now, it will take some time to load, so just wait for the game to load up. Now as you can see, our game has been loaded. Now, in order to exit this game, click on the cross icon at the top left, click on exit and you'll be back to the Playables page where you can easily select any game that you want to play and you'll be instantly able to play this YouTube game. So that was the simple way through which you can play games on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.